Now, this next one is something that if you've been using Canvas, you probably already have, but we want to make sure that everybody's Google is connected to their Canvas page. It will make your life and your students' lives so much easier. So, to make sure, you're going to come up here to Account and you're going to click on Settings and you're going to scroll down and under other service or registered services it should say Google if you've been doing it. Now I disconnected mine to show you how to do it if you haven't. So if under registered services you have Google and it's logged in using your school email address, then you are done with this step. For those who are not, you're going to click on Google Drive and you're going to click authorize Google Drive access and you're going to choose your account. And you're going to allow Canvas to do the following things so that it can quickly access your Google. And once you hit allow, when you scroll down, it should show up Google Drive and using your school email address. And now, when you go to a course, and you should have a Google Drive tab over here where you can quickly and easily access your Google Drive that you just linked to your Canvas page.